Welcome back to the 11-foot DIY foamand fabric kayak. Remember the rod holder I put on? Made out of PVC pipe with the toilet bolt flange and the plug. You could do a threaded one of these, you know, so it's a little bit easier to deal with, but I'm good with this. This will work just fine for me. And once I had it adjusted, but the thing is, you'll get it where you want it, and it'll be working like you want it to work. So I was thinking, if my rod's in there like that, it's not likely the fish is going to pull that out. But if you tip over the kayak, then you might have an issue. So I thought what I would do is get one of these couplings here, cut me a notch out of that, and then put a piece of the small pipe in here, piece of pipe there, and glue that together. Then take this one that has slip fit on this side and thread it on that side and cut it in half. And of course I haven't sanded this yet. And just run these threads on here like this. Just like that. Let's see, what's your viewpoint here? I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Alright, so let me pull this loose. So what we have here is pretty much a lock, and you can, and it won't take much to hold your rod in, but if you tip your boat over, you're going to lose your fish. I mean your pole, or your pole and your fish. But this will be glued in, and I guess if you wanted to, you could cut some of this off to shorten it up some, but I'm not too much worried about that. So when you put your pole in there, like now, maybe you can just turn it like this. You see right there? I'm not sure what your vantage of your viewpoint is. There it is. When it's okay, it would be down here like this, okay? And then you turn it. So basically, I'm gonna turn it up like this. It's not gonna ride this way, but I'm gonna turn it that way so you can see. So pretty much that locks it in there, and you know, since it's glued here and bolted there, you're not going to lose your rod, and it'll protect you from a lot of things. Somebody come along and want to snatch up your rod. But that's pretty much all I did, was just take those two fittings, and that's just a standard piece of this pipe here. Cut a piece of that off. I probably need a little bit longer piece because that goes in that far. That'll probably do it, but I'm going to cut just a little bit longer piece. If you look, let's see, right in there, you got a little bit more room, so I'll cut a little bit longer section of this, so when I glue this together, it should be just fine. And of course, there you go, just like that. And then you have this left over. I don't know what you could use it for, but I'm sure you find some reason. There's some use for it. Other than that, I just need to find a nut and a bolt to put my tiller handle on, and it'll ride right in here just like this. Just like that. Everything all in one convenient spot. I may shorten that a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. Don't shorten nothing until you get out and try it out. Alright. Lock in place rod holder. Oh yeah. Do it one-handed. It don't take much to hold it down. Of course, like I said, when that's glued, it'll be nice and tight. And you can do this one-handed. Alright. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching.